So today I teamed up with KitchenAid to talk about the 7-cup food processor, why I love it, why you need one, and all of its amazing innovations. Let's start with opening this bad boy up and seeing all the parts. This is really easy to put together. So it's not like the traditional old school one where it's the twist on and you're kind of like fighting with it. Instead, it literally just clicks into place. So you have this little nubbin right here that goes to your handle and you just pop it on, which is kind of amazing, especially if you're cooking and your hands are like wet or you're in a rush, whatever. And then this is the lid. So again, it just snaps in place. And then the food processor comes with 2 blades. Both are stainless steel. This first one is more of like a multi-purpose, everyday use blade. And then the other one, this guy, is great for reversible slicing and shredding. Those of you who know me know that I'm a crazy chicken lady and I give the girls lots of human food to supplement their feed. One of my favorites is vegetables, so I'll either hand grate veggies for them or cut them really finely with a knife, but now that I have this guy, it's a lot easier. The reason why I slice and shred food for the chickens is because it helps to avoid getting food stuck in their throat, which is a big no-no. So a food processor like this is a huge time saver for me. Today I'm going to show you how I can use this one device to chop, puree, shred, and slice these carrots and all the different textures that it will help you create. This is my review of the KitchenAid 7-cup food processor. There's a whole blog post about it talking even more about how amazing this is, all of the innovations and technology behind this food processor. So be sure to go to, be sure to go to jojotastic.com to read even more, and it'll be linked below. Meow meow. Wait, I don't need your help making chicken food. Excuse me, meow. I know. Can you not, please? Thank you.